How to take partial profits on MT5. Before you can take partial profit on MT5, the first thing that needs to be present is an open position. So as we can see here, there is no open position, so we can't take partial profit. Hence, we need to have an open position. So let's begin. Okay, we're going to use BTC in this case. Look at the chart here. This is 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the daily first. Okay, the daily looks kind of bullish. We're going up after a strong rejection downward. Then the 4 hour, okay, looking bullish also. Then the 1 hour also looking bullish. 30 minutes looking bullish. 15 minutes looking bullish. Although I'm not liking the spreads, but for the sake of the video, let's just do this. So I'm going to come here and then I'll place this trade on market execution because we don't have time for limit order, just for the sake of explaining this video. All right. So now, in order for you to take a partial profit, it simply means, what is partial profit? Simply means you want to take out a little bit of the position, while still leaving the rest to run. Hence, you cannot take a partial profit with a 0.01 lot size. I'm sorry. If you open a trade with 0.01, note this, if you open a trade with 0.01 lot size, you cannot take partial because that is the smallest lot size possible required to open a trade. So you can only take partial from 0.02 and above. So in this case, I'm going to use the smallest possible, which is 0.02. So I'm going to buy at 0.02. Market price buy. All right, that's done. That's done here. So where should be the stop loss? The stop loss can be here, this rejection, this 118111. Right, we are not making profit in this trade, but we still have to trade with a stop loss. It's just something that I'm used to naturally. I'm already used to it. 118111.10. All right, 118111.10. Okay, modify. Now I have a stop loss in place. It's just something I'm used to. I don't trade without a stop loss. All right, so now you have your trade running. By default, you want to take partial profits when you are kind of floating in profits already, but we don't have time for that. This is an explanation video. We don't have time to sit down and wait until this trade flows into profit. So let's assume, for assumption's sake, that this trade is floating in profits and you want to take out a partial. So all you need to do is long press this like this and click close position. Now, when you want to close the position, you can see it's telling you close with certain loss. If it's in profit, it will be closed in certain profit. Look up here at the lot size. You can see this trade is currently running on 0.02 lot size. All you need to do is reduce it 0.01. Okay, 0.01 lot size. Now you want to close half of the position because what is half of 0.02? 0.01. If it was 0.1, and you want to close half, what's half of 0.1? 0.05. So you're going to close 0.05 position. If it was 2 lots, you will close what? 1 lot. If it was 10 lots, you close 5 lots, depending on how many percentage you want to close on that trade. Most likely you want to close 50% of your position. So just divide your lot size by 2. If you opened with 0.06, you want to close 0.03. So now we are closing 0.01 of this trade. So we close 0.01. As you can see, the trade is still running, but now it has reduced. It's no longer 0.02, it is running in 0.01. Now if you come to the history here, you will see that we closed this trade. We closed a bit of it, and then we still have the rest running here. So it's as simple as that. If this video was of any value to you and then you enjoyed and gained something from it, smash that like button, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.